What's going on, guys? This is the EasyJet. What you're going to do is first take your piece of paper, fold it in half, and then cut. So you'll end up with two separate sheets of paper that are the same size. And then you will you'll fold both of them in half that way. Put your creases in. Then you're going to open them up and fold them in half this way. Alright, so you do a middle crease on both pieces. So you take each sheet and put one on top of the other, lining up those center folds that you just made, so it'll match up that way and that way. Alright, and then you're going to fold this back piece down so it lines up with the top of the front one. Alright, and then you're going to take both sheets of paper together and fold them to the center crease, and then get a crease here and do the same thing on this side. Take both sheets, fold them in, and then crease along here. And then you're going to open this back up, and on the back sheet you're going to take this piece and fold it to the crease that you had just made, like that. And then same thing here, you're going to open that one up and then crease in this part, so you'll end up basically like this. Alright, and then at this point you're going to fold these over and crease them down like so. And then you take the wings, fold them like, fold it together, fold it in half, whatever you want to call it, and then straight across you'll fold one wing down and then flip it over and just match your wing profiles up. And there you go. That's it. All there is to it. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the like button and let me know that you liked it, and I will keep putting these up every day. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified every day when I put a new one of these videos out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.